Voilà, bonjour classe. Ça, c'est un accident. Un accident from lundi le 3 mai. So, lundi le 3 mai, un accident. Séverine and Malika run into their friend Benedict, complete their conversation with the correct form of the verb savoir, connaître, or reconnaître in the present, the imparfait or the passé composé. So savoir and connaître both mean to know. Savoir is to know a fact, and connaître is to know, like to be familiar with a place or person. In the passé composé, savoir would mean to find out, like j'ai su, I found out something. And connaître would mean to meet someone. Get it? Because if you know them, you met them in the past. Reconnaître, like to recognize. Get it? Reconnaître sounds like recognize. So, and then it could be, again, present, imparfait, or passé composé. All right, voila, let's see what happened. Benedict says, Est-ce que vous blank ce qui s'est passé? Do you know what happened? So probably in the present tense, right? Do you know right now what happened? And that's just a fact. Like, do you know what happened? So, savoir. Est-ce que vous? Right, savez. Est-ce que vous savez ce qui s'est passé? Do you know what happened? Non, raconte. Eh bien, vous blank Yannick, n'est-ce pas? Yannick is a person, so wouldn't make sense to say, do you recognize Yannick? Probably, do you know Yannick? So, est-ce que vous connaissez? Do you know Yannick? You know Yannick, right? Oui, je le, yes, I, him, in French class last year. All right, so last year means it's got to be in the past. So probably not I was knowing him in French class, but I met him, passé composé. Let's do the passé composé for I met him would be je l'ai connu. And it's an avoir one. En cours de français l'année dernière. Et toi, Malika, do you blank him? Probably just do you know him, like right now? Tu le connais? Do you know him? Non, je ne pense pas. No, I don't think so. Il blank Ed Sheeran au supermarché. Ed Sheeran au supermarché. Now we already have the il a, which means that's part of the passé composé. So do we want he found him out or he met Ed Sheeran? Probably he met him. Ooh, connu. He met Ed Sheeran in the grocery store. And il l'a, so you already have part of the passé composé, you have the avoir. So he blanked him because of his red hair. Probably recognized. So recognized, reconnu. And you already have the a there for the passé composé. So il a connu and il l'a reconnu à cause de ses cheveux roux. And you blank in which supermarket it was? So do you know in which supermarket it was? Tu sais. Dans quel supermarché il était? Oui, mais je ne blanque pas les heures d'ouverture. Yes, but I don't know the hours it's open. I don't know the hours it's open. Probably just a fact, right? Savoir. So je ne sais. Whoops. Oh, I did that one. Je ne sais. And then, 8 is je ne. I don't recognize. Or like. Oops, hold on a sec. Sorry, we're back. Tu sais dans quel supermarché il était? Do you know which supermarket it was? Oui, mais je ne connais pas les heures d'ouverture. I'm not familiar with their opening hours. Appelons le supermarché. Je veux son autographe. Call the supermarket. I want his autograph. And yay, voila. Ça y est. Hope that helps.